Welcome inside the Apple factory. Today you'll see, step by step, how the orange titanium iPhone 17 Pro Max is made.
Titanium ore is refined under extreme heat into solid blocks. Workers place cool titanium slabs into CNC machines, ensuring perfect alignment before rough cutting the frame shape. Workers check every edge and polish the frame, preparing it for anodizing to achieve the signature orange titanium color. Glass is installed. The brain of the device, the logic board, is carefully installed by hand. All internal connections are verified before final assembly and vacuum sealed for protection. Each device is tested under mist and pressure to ensure full water resistance. Displays undergo touch sensitivity and color calibration tests. Software is installed, and the device powers on for the first time. Each phone is carefully placed and sealed, ready for shipment.
Boxes are scanned and organized for global shipping.
Cartons are loaded onto trucks, starting their journey worldwide.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.